Alibaba's decision to sell in-time retail at a loss of 9.3 billion yuan reflects the company's significant transformation. This choice comes after careful weighing of pros and cons. Meanwhile, just 2 months ago, Taobao quietly launched a Japanese version of its application, named Tao, which has already achieved over 10,000 downloads and a respectable 4-star rating on Google Chrome. What are the strategic sources driving these moves by Alibaba's leadership? Where is this Asian giant headed? Today, we will dive into these questions. The sale of in-time retail is quite understandable. It reveals Alibaba's determination to pivot its business model. This shift stems from a strategic adjustment. In recent years, Alibaba has increasingly focused on technology-driven internet platforms, AI-powered tech ventures, and a global business network, leaving traditional retail behind. This strategic realignment is consistent with previous statements from Alibaba's leadership regarding the divestment of non-core assets. As Alibaba allocates more resources to core businesses like e-commerce, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence, traditional retail operations like in-time have been gradually sidelined. Additionally, in-time has encountered substantial challenges in recent years. A rise of e-commerce and shifts in consumer shopping habits have posed unprecedented challenges for the traditional department store sector, which includes Kaohsiung Retail and Hema, has been in time's performance decline, with a 7% year-on-year revenue drop and 87% increase in net losses for the third quarter of fiscal year 2024. This performance undoubtedly intensified Alibaba's resolve to sell in time. Furthermore, we cannot overlook the changing market landscape and increased competition. As new retail formats continue to emerge and competition intensifies, in-time's appeal in first and second tier cities has diminished. At the same time, Alibaba's new retail initiatives faces numerous challenges, such as a rise of low-cost consumption, intensified market competition, and missed opportunity in low-tier markets. So, in the past 10 years, we saw here is a harsh but true reality that new retail concept given by Jack Ma is a wrong decision. In this context, Alibaba is re-evaluating its new retail strategy and has chosen to divest from non-core assets like in-time to concentrate on the development of its core business. From this focus perspective, such a decision is likely to have positive long-term effect on Alibaba's growth. We remember that Jack Ma once expressed his desire to transform Taobao into a global platform, right? Now, with Jiang Fan's comeback at the helm of Alibaba's e-commerce division, the company is clearly accelerating towards that goal. Following this, Alibaba launched the Japanese version of Taobao application, Tao. Interestingly, while the interface, usage habits, and language of the application are fully localized for Japan. The merchants come from domestic Taobao and Tmall. The shipments originated from China. Even more striking is the return policy. Unlike the domestic 7-day hassle-free returns, Tao currently offers free returns within 40 days of purchase. This demonstrates Alibaba's firm commitment to entering the Japanese market. What signals does this send? Well, let's take a closer look at what Tao is. Visually, Tao has a clear resemblance to Taobao within its name, logo, and color scheme. Yet, it strives for localization with a more minimalist interface, catering to Japanese consumer preferences. The pronunciation of Tao feels natural in Japanese while also maintaining an international appeal. In terms of product categories, Tao focuses primarily on clothing and household items, offering a rich selection of 3 million categories that include appeal, home furnishings, storage, bedding, pet supplies, cookware, and fish supplies. Currently, the diverse product offers rely on merchants from Taobao and Tmall shipping from China. However, since Taobao is still in its early stage, its recruitment team has not yet been established, but plans to open up to merchants from other regions in the future are in place. Additionally, Alibaba is mindful of merchants' operating costs. Although Tao offers free shipping for first-time users, subsequent purchases require a minimum 3,500 yen to qualify for free shipping. Regarding return and exchange services, Tao has extended its policy to allow free returns within 40 days of purchase. After sales support, Tao has formed a dedicated Japanese-speaking customer service team, providing various channels of communication, including in-application chat, phone support, and email. Payment methods are primarily aligned with local Japanese practices. The logistics partnerships are established with local carriers like Yamato and Sagawa Express. Tao also features a unique search function that recommends products based on thanks and themes. It returns social attributes similar to Taobao, allowing users to collect favorites and interact with each other, while emphasizing content creation. Notably, unlike its Chinese counterpart, Tao positions itself more like Taobao's high-end selection, focusing on quality with generally high pricing than Shein and Temu. Public information indicates that Tao is part of Alibaba's international digital commerce group, operated by Taobao Singapore. Overall, while Tao has yet to launch recruitment activities and lacks extensive data or promotion in Japan, it's clear that Alibaba has invested considerable effort in this venture. The potential of Japanese market, which is significant and continues to grow, appears to be a strategic target for Alibaba. However, Alibaba's ambitions extend beyond Japan. This isn't the first time Alibaba has set its sights on the Japanese market. 17 years ago, Alibaba made its initial moves by forming a joint venture with SoftBank Group to establish Alibaba Japan Company Limited in 2007, setting up an office close to Ginza in Tokyo. They later launched the cross-border shipping platform Tao Japan, hosting 50 million Chinese products on Yahoo Japan and 8 million Japanese products on Taobao. Unfortunately, high logistics costs, prolonged waiting times, and underdeveloped technology lead to a poor user experience, resulting in the project's termination after less than 2 years. Fast forward to today, these challenges seem less daunting. Japan's e-commerce market is rapidly expanding, my friend, presenting a blue ocean opportunity. Reports indicate that the Japanese e-commerce market is projected to reach $324.6 billion by 2025. With a penetration rate of 85.7% and over 106 million users. With this accumulated experience and resources, Alibaba's goal of recreating a Taobao in Japan may soon be a reality. However, it's important to note that Alibaba's ambitions go beyond Japan. In addition to nurturing local application, Taobao is pursuing a different approach to international expansion. In July, Taobao launched the global free shipping plan for appeal, utilizing the Taobao Overseas feature within its application to sell domestic clothing abroad. This plan was upgraded in September to the Taobao Tmall Overseas Growth Plan, expanding from appeal merchants to all industry merchants. This initiative marks a deep collaboration between Taobao and Alibaba's overseas operation. Taobao provides product supply and recruitment, while Alibaba's overseas team brings familiarity with global consumers and established infrastructure for payment and logistics. Best-selling products from Taobao can also be sold on AliExpress and Lazada. That's all today's updates of Alibaba. See you next time.